Hey guys, in this video, I've got the ArmorAir Grand Combo for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 from Benks. I have here the Aurora color variant, and as you can probably tell from its gigantic size, it actually includes 3 components to protect your device from every angle. Here is what's inside of it. First, we've got the Glass Warrior screen protector with 9H hardness. Then there is the back phone case with built-in hinge protection. And finally, a front cover for the outer display. So with that being said, let's check this thing out. Let's start with the Glass Warrior screen protector. It comes with one glass screen protector, but something I noticed right away, this is not the same as Benks anti-reflection screen protector, which they sell separately. If you have seen my review of it from a few days ago, I still have that one installed, and honestly, it's the best I've used ever. A true masterpiece across the board. The anti-reflection is top-notch, it's seamless, and it blows Samsung on protection film out of the water. So it's a bit odd they didn't include the anti-reflective version in this combo. Just looking at the box, it clearly says Glass Warrior and not Glass Warrior AR. And as soon as I held it, I could just tell it's a regular 9H glass screen protector. So for that reason, I'm not even going to swap it in. It feels kinda like a downgrade, so I'm skipping it and moving on to the covers. We've got two boxes here, one for the back cover and another for the front cover. Now if you remember, with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, most brands used to include a front cover along with the back one. But now with the Z Fold 7 being thinner, a lot of manufacturers are skipping it, including Samsung with their carbon shield case, which only covers the back. So as far as I know, Benks is the only one still packing a front cover for a 360 protection. So as you can see, it comes with something like an adhesive strips to help it stuck properly. So let's just put it right in. Okay. So the back cover includes hinge protection, which is a big plus, and even better, it supports MagSafe. The material feels premium, and the hinge section has a leather-like texture to it. So it's going to protect it all around. Everything was going smoothly until I closed the fold and noticed the front cover was starting to stress the screen protector. It actually began lifting. I thought I didn't install it right, but no matter how I tried, it kept pushing against the screen protector. From what Benks recommend, the best practice is to install the front cover before the screen protector. As you have noticed, the reason they didn't include an uninstalling frame or a tray with a screen protector is because the front cover will be actually it. So if you are planning to use the included protector, install the front cover first. But in case you had a screen protector applied prior to this, just like my case, it may not be compatible with it. But being sincere with you, I'm not really sad about it. To me, it looks better without the front cover actually. So I don't really think it's a huge problem. Out of curiosity, I weighted the back cover because Samsung carbon cover is incredibly light, just 13 grams. But that's partly because it doesn't have a MagSafe ring. The Benks cover weighed 33 grams, which makes sense with the added hinge protection and MagSafe ring. Still pretty light overall. The Samsung cover also looks to me a bit thinner, don't know how they managed to do that, and I really like it. If only it had MagSafe, it would have been the perfect case in my opinion. Like given it's a lightweight, and if you add a MagSafe ring to it, it's going to be huge. That said, the Benks case doesn't feel bad at all. It has a solid build and uses real DuPont Kevlar fibers, offering excellent protection without adding much weight. Now let's check how it actually looks on the Z Fold 7. Yeah, as you can see, it looks really clean and classy. It opens easily and doesn't interfere with the hinge mechanism at all. So if you are after full hinge protection, this case definitely does the job. Also worth mentioning, the Benks cover is super easy to take off. I also tested the MagSafe using Spigen Mag Wallet for Galaxy, and it works well. Now, by the way, this Mag Wallet by Spigen is designed specifically for Galaxy devices, so it doesn't go over the camera lenses like if you were to use the iPhone version of it. The Mag ring itself isn't flush with the rest of the surface, but that actually helps it attach securely. As you can see, it attached very well and won't fall out. Unfortunately, Samsung Carbon case doesn't support MagSafe, so if you are looking for a protective case for your Z Fold 7 that support MagSafe, include hinge protection, and comes with both a screen protector and the front cover, the ArmorAir Grand Combo might be the one. When you order it, you will receive the exact same package as the one I've shown here, and you can use my discount code for 15% off Benks shop. So, while the front cover didn't really work out for me, maybe it pairs better with the thinner screen protector included in the box, instead of the anti-reflective one I have installed, because I actually noticed that it looks a little bit thicker. Anyway, I would really like to know what you guys think of this combo. Do you think it ticks all the boxes to be the best Z Fold 7 protection bundle? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.